Hi traders, today is 31st of October 2019. We are now live. Day trading crude oil market CLZ 2019. So this is December 2019 contract. We just go for a short sell position at 53.77 with a good stop loss around 53.97. So as you can see, have been sent out this live signal from my channel. So I need to send out order field. So this is what I meant by the signal. This is the latest short sell 53.77. Maybe there's a typo mistake. Okay, still on the move. This is a US session scalping. So let's put a stop loss first. Should be around 97. So the market on the move, it was a good one. It's not much, but easy is still roller this moment. So let's wait. The TP target is at 53 60, sorry, 62. So should be somewhere here. So by limit, so this is where I will exit the market. Hopefully the market will not reverse back to the upper side, and I estimate should be a quick and easy trade. So this means this is a US session strategy from my day trading setup. So I will not hold longer compared to the London session, which I always hold for a couple of hours. So for US session, normally quick 10 minutes or 30 minutes, so you can know how the trade will be done. Doesn't look good at this moment. We are in the minus territory. Okay, on the market it reverse minus 5 or 6 ticks at this moment. So let's wait. We got 2 more minutes before the next candle begin. So by the way, this is time frame 5 minutes. Hope this one close red or go fast to the bottom side. So if reverse back, then this will be our stop loss. We will cut it and stop after the day. Then waiting for another signal later on. Not so good. We are in the minus territory. Alright, the candle did turn green. Still waiting for it to go further down. Hopefully straight to the TP area. Market might go to this price level, but not sure how long it will take. We expect for a quick time. Still minus. Hopefully this candle can go for the right. So there's a chance for us for this trade. This is a scalping session. Day trading crude oil market. So normally we target around 200 to 400 US dollar in profit daily for US session setup. So let's wait. It's either hit the stop or the limit target for a profit. There was a huge drop since London session. I hope I can capture this move fast. It doesn't look good at this moment. We are minus 8 ticks. Nearing our stop limit order. So let's wait. I'm expecting the market to go for the down, then reverse up. It seems like just reverse. So let's wait patiently. There, here is still a large volume waiting at 53.96. This current high demand for the market price to go for this price level after it maybe again overall reversal. Okay, as you can see now, market reverse back. That looks good. Still, you can see a large volume waiting here. We are back to the entry level. It has been a few minutes for our entry. Okay, looks good. This is what we want. Just need to be careful. Target price for take profit is 53.62. I need to check for ES as well. Okay, this doesn't look good. Okay, there's 3 minutes to go for this candle. If the price reverse back, then it will be very fast one. But I'm still holding my short sell position. Hope this can turn to a good trade. Alright, the candle formation is right. Looks confident, but still it's quite critical to know that this is the level which need to be aware. But still the stop loss remain on the same price level at 53.97. So this going to take another few more minutes. In 4 minutes time, quite sure there should be a closing for this trade, hopefully. Okay, start to move. This is the nearest low. Positive 80, 100 just now. Hopefully I can record it live. This is my typical day trading setup for US session. Chances rate is quite high, but cannot take much because this is scalping compared to my day trade in London session, 40 ticks or more. But for US session, a very quite decent, should be enough. As a day trader, this should be enough. You can take profit now at 100 or 120, but I will stick to the plan Normally I will try to hit the target of what I mentioned in my live trading channel. There's a link below in the description. You can click on it, or it's just two options, whether to hit the stop or to get to the limit. So it's very strong support here. Hopefully, we can only hope at this moment that the market will not fully reverse until we reach the TP area. Okay, this one is green. Okay, still in the negative territory, minus 40 US dollar. Quite strong. Hopefully it will go in a one go, because there's a strong support over here. 4 candle or 5 candle start together. Okay, you can see the profit keep increasing over here, the PNL. Okay, one more time. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle, still remain the same level. Profit now is 100 US dollar, 60, 80. I should be around that price level. Now back to the even price, but any moment the price will drop very fast. I try to record it live. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, new candle as well. It's quite strong support. Hopefully the market will not reverse back. Again, we are back to the negative territory. Okay, no luck for today, I guess. Still there is a multiple high volume can be seen at 2 different price level. One negative. Still very strong for the reversal. I'm not sure, because we can see quite strong support over here. The market didn't penetrate it. It has been a few minutes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 40 minutes. Normally I will in the market below 10 minutes, so this is not a good trade. What a trade. And the price keep moving on the sideway. I'm still hoping for it to break further low, but the TP also is quite near, and very strong large volume waiting over here. I think we are back again to the same price level. Oh, large volume coming in. Snap everything up. Okay, I have to surrender, I guess. No luck today. Very no luck. Okay, it looks like here we go again. So it's taking some time for us to take this profit, but yeah, as long as it didn't hit the stop loss, so I have to keep believing that this setup will provide me a good profit or a good return for today. So we are near time now is 11:27 a.m. New York time. Okay guys, no, not today. We hit the stop, so losses around 20 ticks. So overall minus 420 for today. Okay, never mind. So we'll keep continuing again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you next week. Today is tomorrow. We got one more trading day tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.